It's Monday, May 11th. Woodstock, Georgia. Testing out my new rain cam. Georgia Northeastern Northbound is on the way. He's about a mile south of me. So rain or shine, we'll catch him. I was gonna park over there where old Mr. Progressive is, but he beat me to it. And I use Progressive. All right, I'm gonna pause until I see him. All this to wave at a train. Well, why not, right? Who doesn't love to wave at trains? This will go off right about now. I'm not the only one with an umbrella out here. I don't usually stand this close, but he's only going about 8 miles an hour, and I'm looking at him. Scuba. All right, how's that? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.